Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and I thought I'd share a Valentine tablescape with you. I started off with a pink tablecloth covered in white lace. The placemats are also pink and covered in lace. The china is focus. I think it's pronounced Mito Rose Lane. And they've got the pink roses with the little almost violet or lilac irises. And they're trimmed in gold, so I used my gold silverware. The napkins are plain white, and they're held with pearl napkin rings. I love the little rose inside the cups. And we've got that creamer and the sugar bowl. And the centerpiece is just a bowl with water gems, pink roses, and pink candles. And I used the white iridescent scatter because I wanted to keep this soft. And then I put pink candles around the centerpiece. There's the place setting. And there's a nice angle of everything. Valentine's Day is very special to me. It's not just that it's a nice romantic holiday, but it's the day my husband proposed. So I like to do something extra special for Valentine's Day for us. And yes, I still have my little angel in the corner. I honestly don't know if she's ever coming down. And I don't know if I'm going to get an above shot or not. I'm going to try. It's kind of hard for me. There it is, all ready for supper tonight. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day and happy creating.